The Accentis Enterprise Customer Sales and CRM module provides complete control over your entire sales process, from initial inquiry through to printing statements and fostering ongoing customer relationships. We have grouped these features into 4 parts: cross-system features, dispatch and delivery, CRM sales and quoting, and accounts and reporting. Cross-system features. Multiple levels of customer pricing can get you into trouble if customers receive different quotes from various staff. Our comprehensive pricing, discounting and rebate functions ensure customers get the right price every time, even with time-limited special pricing or when part of a buying group. This means anyone can quote prices for a customer without having to remember their special pricing arrangements. Wouldn't it be handy to have a reminder note when processing orders for customers with particular needs? Pop-up messages can be configured to appear when using a specific function, like reminding sales staff processing a sales order to ensure freight is calculated properly, or store staff can be alerted when picking stock of a customer's special requirements. The possibilities this opens up for customer relationship management are endless. Does your system have the ability to track all events relating to a customer? The date-stamped memo facility in Accentis Enterprise allows you to record any event, transaction or comment against a customer's file for future reference, including reasons for late payment, details of phone calls or correspondence, or why they are on stop credit and more. If staff leave, you know that information to continue customer relationships will remain. Do you spend time accessing customer documents via a filing system? Electronic document linking in Accentis Enterprise links any document to customers or contacts for immediate viewing, printing, email or fax as required, whether it be credit applications and directors' guarantees, contracts and agreements or email correspondence. This can save time looking for documents, but also having to ask other departments where documents have been filed. This functionality is extended with our complete document listing for record transaction hierarchy. For example, a sales invoice will show documents for the sales quote, sales order, and dispatch related to that invoice. This places all related documentation together without needing to view multiple records. Dispatch and delivery. Does your system require each sales order to be manually dispatched or delivered individually? Multiple and partial dispatches are fully supported within Accentis Enterprise with a detailed drill-down backorder report that shows you everything you need to know about quantities ordered, delivered, backordered, available, on order, and a scheduled date of delivery. Do your customers have multiple addresses which result in regular duplicate data entry? In Accentis Enterprise, an unlimited number of delivery and branch addresses can be configured, each address with its own name, shipping details, and additional delivery information, thus reducing costly data entry errors and saving data entry time by retaining important delivery information per address. CRM Sales and Quoting. Do you manage several relationships at a company or receive referrals from a third party? Most standalone CRM systems have contacts, but in Accentis Enterprise you can link contacts to one or more customers, suppliers, or jobs. The result is not only being able to map out the important relationships, but linking them to your prospecting, inquiry, quoting, and sales activity. Links are retained all the way down the sales funnel automatically, and further to this, referral contact fields allow you to track your third-party referrals. Keeping your CRM data current is overwhelming if you deal with companies with several key contacts. Intelligent Contact Details Management will compare any change in contact details of a customer against the details of any associated contacts, and if they used to be the same, the contact's details are also updated. This avoids the never-ending problem of accidentally having individual contact details different from linked customer information. Would you like to identify the main reasons behind losing quotes so you can address them? Sales Quote Status allows you to do valuable post-mortem analysis on all your sales quotations to see how many have been lost, when, who they were lost to, and by how much. Forecast and track sales opportunities using pipeline stages and probability factors. Generate instant reports and filter by closing date, sales stage, probability, status, and more. Do you have several customer segments which you would like to group separately for specific sales processes, promotions, or correspondence? User-definable customer types and contact types allow you to group and subgroup customers or contacts as required, with no restrictions on the number or types that you can define, which is perfect for targeting powerful sales and marketing strategies and their analysis. Have your staff wasted time entering an order only to have the system say the customer is on stop credit, resulting in losing the data? Administrator confirmation in Accentis Enterprise allows you to save your data in an unconfirmed or unapproved state. You can also choose if these orders commit stock or not. Approval permissions can be modified to include minimum markup, sale quantities, pricing modifications, minimum price, approval status, entered by, and many others, which ensure point of sale flexibility. Warnings and validation settings remain to enforce credit terms or limit, stop credit, partial or early shipment validation, duplicate order numbers, and even stock to enforce checks and balances which your business requires. Accounts and reporting. Do your customers require statements via mail, email, or fax, or to a specific contact? Function Association Manager and Preferred Output Method means that a single-click procedure can perform the appropriate function for a bulk list of invoices or statements without any further intervention, saving money on postage and handling where a preference for fax or email has been selected. Have you ever been in the embarrassing situation of asking a customer for payment for an invoice that will be credited? In Accentis Enterprise, Outstanding Credit Request Warning will stop you from making this mistake by displaying a warning if a sales invoice has a credit request pending. Do you try to analyse your sales but find it time-consuming due to the difficulties in accessing the data? Over 600 standard reports in Accentis Enterprise ensure you will quickly and easily find and compare the information you want. One of these is the Sales Analysis Report, which can slice and dice your data by system groupings and a vast potential of user-defined subgroupings and additional filters. Groupings and filters allow you to quickly select and compare the data you want. The numerous filters give you the ability to narrow down specific parameters and order of your data. We also give you the ability to manipulate the report to your own preferences, resize or hide columns, toggle totals, subtotals, subheaders, and sort selected lines. You can save any number of the same report on your toolbar, each tailored to your specific needs. Whether you do your analysis daily or periodically, save your layout and settings once. Add these reports to the toolbar and you will have the information you require in one click. If you need any other information displayed, filtered or visible, just let us know and we can add it. It's our guarantee that if the data goes into Accentis Enterprise, we can display it on a report.
There are a host of features we haven't covered and more are being added to our upgrades, which happen twice a year. This depth of functionality is matched by our ability to customize and add new features at your request. Instead of individual customizations to your version of the program, we add customizations to your database or add features to the standard version of Accentis Enterprise. This means customizations don't have to be redone or fixed when you get an upgrade, and all of our customers reap the benefits from our continued development if they choose to take part in our upgrade program. For more information, contact us on 07 3256 6875 or email info@accentis.com.au.